Hey guys, thanks so much for joining me for today's video. Before we hop into the video, I just wanted to give a quick reminder that today is the release day for the Royal Vault collection. We have 4 Royal Vault designs, 2 brand new designs, and 4 limited edition soaps. The 4 Royal Vault designs are Succulent Planter, Underwater Alchemist, Aurora Dreams, and Birthday Cake. The 2 new designs are Ruby Lemonade, which is July's birthstone, and Ocean Vibes. And the 3 limited edition soaps are Blueberry Muffin, Hey Honey, and Space Crystals. All of these will be available to purchase tonight at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. Below are listed all of the other time zones in case you are in a different one. And we will have restocked lotion, shampoo bars, perfume oils, and diamond soaps. However, conditioner bars will be restocked in either a very limited quantity this month or not at all due to raw material shortages. And without further ado, let us make some Bath & Body crafts with Lily Marie Carson. Are you excited to make soap today?
Yeah.
I have some fabulous little kits that were sent to our P.O. box. I also purchased a soap kit from Walmart, so I'm gonna let her pick what she'd like to make. I'm gonna go get them. You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So we have 3 different ones to pick from. We have a watermelon soap kit, we have an oatmeal soap kit, and we have a soap jelly kit. Which one would you like to make?
I would like.
I'm gonna have this one, or this one?
That one.
Okay, this is the Crazy Art Shimmer and Sparkle Soap Jellies. Would you like to open it up?
Yeah. Yummy. I need it.
All right, let's open that up.
Yeah. Whoa.
What's in there? Those are the instructions. Those tell us how to make it. Ooh.
It says jelly.
Yeah, it does say that.
Yeah, jelly. Whoa, mine.
Oh.
Whoa,
A spoon! Lily loves tiny spoons. Okay, here, let me help you with this. Wow. That's a mold for you to pour your soap into.
A spoon.
A spoon, that's right. Here's some little cups. Okay, first let's read the instructions because I don't know what we're supposed to do yet.
Mama, I got a sticker.
That's right, there's some stickers to put on top of the,
Shoot.
No. Okay, we're going to dump the packets into these 3 containers. You see these 3 packets? Those are the 3 soap packets.
Okay, can you get some for me?
I can. Okay, so let's cut this open and then you can dump it in. Want to dump that into there?
Yeah.
So let's dump it in. It would take a very long time to take out the individual pieces. I'll just dump it in like this. Da, 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 da. Are you happy to be in the video again?
Yeah.
Yeah. You've been asking me for months. You want to dump?
Yay!
Yay, good job. Okay, I will get you a spoon to mix. We're going to add some hot water in. 1, 2, 3, and what's the next one?
That one.
4.
And I will get spoon.
That spoon's probably a little bit too little.
Oh.
Here's your spoon. Can you mix that up for me? Very slowly and gently.
This is jelly.
It is like jelly. That's right. So we're going to mix it up.
I'm done.
Well, it doesn't look like it's quite dissolved yet. It looks like we still have a little bit of mixing to do.
Can you get some of this for me too?
You keep mixing this one, and I'll pour the water into this one.
Is that green?
It's blue.
A blue.
Yes.
And this is
What is it?
yellow.
That's right. What's this one in the middle?
Pink.
Good job.
Mama, can you mix it?
Okay. Yes, I'll keep mixing. You were right. This mix is going to take a while. So I think my water wasn't quite hot enough because this is taking a really long time to dissolve. So I'm going to pop these in the microwave real quick.
Yep.
All right, into the microwave they go.
Beep, beep. Oh, can I have a star? Where is the star? Where is it? I don't see it. 1, 2, 3.
I can hear you.
Can I they don't.
Some look
The
for trouble.
trouble. Mom, and this is between known stickle. Between
Why don't you sticker these while I'm mixing stuff up in the microwave?
And Mom is making some soap at a time I want to. Mom, are you done?
I'm done. Here's your beautiful colors. Next thing we have to do is add some soap. Add some soap to it. 2.5 tablespoons of body wash.
Please.
2.5. Okay, so mix very slowly. That's fine. They didn't tell you to do this, but I'm gonna spritz the top with rubbing alcohol to get rid of the extra bubbles.
Okay,
So I'm gonna put this right here. Yes, and you're gonna tell me what the color is.
Okay,
All right, so let's mix yellow. Do you have your spoon?
No.
Okay, here's a spoon. All right, here's your little spoon. And we're gonna mix blue, and then you're gonna tell me what color that is. Keep mixing. What color does that look like?
Purple.
Try again. What color is this, Lily?
Purple.
It's the same color as this right here. It's green.
Green.
That looks beautiful. You did a good job. All right, so I'm going to get you some more molds. There's a little more liquid than there is mold availability. So I am going to get you some more molds, Lily, that we can pour the jellies into. How about some jelly donuts?
Yeah, jelly donut.
This mold is from Brambleberry. They sent it to us in a bath bomb kit.
Let's pour it.
Okay, you want to pour? I'll let you pour this time.
Whoa, it said donut.
It's a donut. Want to sprinkle some glitter on top?
Yeah, sprinkle.
White glitter or rainbow glitter?
This
one?
Yeah, that
Okay, so this is what you're going to do. I'm going to dip it in for you, and you're going to tap it. So you don't touch it, you just shake it. That's right, there you go. Okay, well, listen, you can't touch it. Whoa. Okay, good job. Would you like some big glitter now?
Oh, let it down.
Wow. Glitter even in the molds we aren't using. Whoa. Okay, so now, Lily, we're going to put these in the freezer, and they're going to get hard and jiggly.
Yeah, and they're gonna get mine. I don't like soap.
What?
I don't like soap on my spoon.
Okay, that's a little different.
And I will wipe it too.
That is definitely not what I meant by wipe it off.
Can I have them?
Why don't you show everybody your hands? For you, a baby wipe. Thank you for helping. What do you say when someone says thank you?
Thank you.
Now, when I say thank you, you say, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. We now take a moment between craft kits to go wash our hands. Come on, glitter fingers, let's go wash hands.
Okay, I got it. Bye-bye. Here I am. We're going to back the suits. And then my super there.
This next kit is a bath bomb kit. This is a mom-owned company called Fizzy Funtastics. Look how cute, it's a little bath bomb mold. Are you struggling there?
No.
Wow, fits just right.
Mama, can you put my other glove on? I got my glove.
You sure did. You did a really good job putting that on, especially for how big it is. Put your fingers in here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Looks like everything has been pre-measured, which is so helpful.
Mama?
Yes?
Are you coming?
I am.
Okay, sis.
All right, Lily, one more thing to add. Start mixing it with your hands. Yeah, you're gonna mix it all around. Make sure that all the stuff on the bottom, here, let's put your hands back in. Thank you. Let's keep mixing. Good job. Getting that all mixed in.
I did it.
Oh, okay. Ooh, it's a good thing we're not selling these. Okay, now it's Mama's turn to mix up the bowl. Smell this. Ooh, that smells good. So let's start in adding the oil and the fragrance oil. Okay, mix, 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 mix. Mix, mix, mix. There you go. Mix, mix, mix. Mix it all up, mix it all up. Some in here. Push it together. Where's a spoon? Hit the top, please. Okay.
Whoa.
Wow, good job. Perfectly unmolded. Tap, tap. And tap, tap on this side.
Whoa.
Wow.
I did it.
You did do it. I'm gonna take the top off.
Whoa.
Okay, you want to take the top off again? Good job. So this is Sparkle Sunshine, Sparkle Me Gold, and Sparkle Me Blue. I'm going to let Lily spritz the top of these bath bombs just for fun. This obviously wasn't in the kit, but she loves glitter. You got it? Hey, good job. I saw some come out of there. So we're gonna let these bath bombs sit for about 24 hours till they're really, really hard. And then I'm gonna let Lily take a couple of them to the bathtub. Likewise, we're going to put all of the Jell-O into the refrigerator and let her use that soap in the bathtub as well. Okay guys, we're back the next day. All of Lily's soap jellies have solidified and they are the actual texture of Jell-O, which is super cool. And all of the bath bombs actually turned into bath bombs. A couple of them cracked that we didn't pack as densely, but overall they look really, really good and they're super, super hard. These look like something you could actually buy. I'm very impressed. I'm not very good at bath bombs, admittedly, so I'm going to blame the kit for giving us such good results. I'm pretty sure at this point Lily has forgotten she's even done any of these things, so I think it's going to be a fresh surprise for her when I bring her back out again.
Woo!
First, look at these. Your bath bombs look and feel so nice. And then we have your little jellies.
Jellies. Look, Mama.
I see it, honey. It's great. No, you're right. It's not for eating. Oh, who's calling?
Mommy.
That's right, it is Marmy. Okay guys, we are going to take our new bath products and give them a test run. You ready to test them, Lily?
Yeah.
All right. So overall, I would definitely recommend both of these kits. They did what they were supposed to. They were super fun for her to get to make. The bath bombs worked really, really well. And you know we love supporting a mom-owned shop. Thanks guys for being with us today. I hope you thought this video was cute. One more time for those who are interested, the Royal Vault collection drops tonight, Friday at 8 p.m. Central Standard. Well, I've certainly talked enough for now, and I'm just gonna let Lily Marie finish out the outro with me. Thanks you guys so much for joining us today on Royalty Soaps. Thank you, Lily, for helping me with some beautiful bath bombs and soap jellies.
Okay.
Okay. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and leave us a comment down below. And we will see you guys next week. So until then, be sure you do something fun for yourself, whether that is going out and getting a kid's craft kit to do with your sweet little kid, or maybe wearing a rainbow shirt. This is Lily's favorite shirt. And until next time, have an absolutely royal day, and bye for now.
Bye.